In this video, we'll guide you through the process of using the Read from CSV component in RPA Desktop Design Studio. Before you begin, ensure that RPA Desktop Design Studio is installed on your system and launched from your desktop. Open the Toolbox panel in RPA Desktop Design Studio. Expand the Utilities section, then navigate to Data Reader. Locate the Read from CSV component and drag it onto the design surface. Now let's configure the input settings. Double-click the file path port to enter the file path of the CSV file, or use a variable for dynamic selection. Set the start row port to specify where data extraction begins, with a default value of 0. Define the delimiter port to match the delimiter used in the CSV file, which defaults to a comma. The isFirst_row header port determines whether the first row is a header. Set it to true if it contains column names or false if it contains data. These settings control how the data is read from the CSV file. Next, let's explore the output data ports. The count port returns the total number of rows in the CSV file. The data port extracts and returns the CSV data in a data table format. Now, it's time to run the automation. Connect the control ports, execute the process, and observe the results. You'll see the total row count and can preview the extracted data. In another example, we can use the Read from CSV component to merge multiple CSV files. The automation fetches CSV files from a specified folder, reads their contents, and combines them into a single master file. Before running the process, the folder contains two separate CSV files and the master file does not exist. After execution, the output master file is successfully generated.